Okay, today we are at the zoo and we're in this like little thing.
Detroit Zoo.
Yeah, there's literally nothing here.
They're penguins and emperor penguins so far.
Whoa, they're like swimming.
Adore. So these
Heck is that?
It looks like a worm.
What the heck is this head?
I don't even have that on the camera.
Should I take a video? It's gone.
No, it's not. Oh, it's gone. Dang it! I want to get a video.
Oh my god, I see it back there.
Oh, that's cool. Come back to the front. What is that?
Ooh, it jumped. It's jumping. It's jumping.
I'm going to video it.
I want one.
They're poisonous, aren't they?
I don't have to touch it.
Could be.
Whoa! Look at all the lily pads.
Yeah, I told you. Could have got a lily pad. No, that's
You don't need a lily pad. I want to like jump on it. Do you think I'd go in the water if I jump? Do you think I'd jump in the land in the water if I jump on a lily pad?
Yes.
No, not with that many. No beavers, but there's some ducks here. But where's the beaver? I don't even think there's a beaver that's
I think
here.
they're walking. It's shallow. Look at, they're not swimming. Look at how they're waddling.
Loudspeaker is speaking Japanese.
I'm just still here with Frank,
I
right?
gotta create everything. Here, get in there.
No.
Come on.
No.
That one's Trisha on the left, and the other one's Phyllis. They're both. Oh my god, I'm actually really close. Trisha and Phyllis. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I'm scared.
There's the one of you. And I got just the peacocks.
Oh, I think I look great. Whoa.
Yeah, Natalie's not your best friend. Your new best friend's this peacock.
Okay. Sorry, Natalie. Let's just set it.
Her new best friend's a peacock.
My best friend is a peacock.
That gorilla.
I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way.
Oh, dang! He's out.
Oh my Jesus, you scared me. I thought he was about to attack us. He's all the way over
He's
there.
out. I see him.
I see him. He's here.
Come on, come here.
Oh my god.
Come here. I'm over here with you.
I told you he'd be right there. Chimps use weapons like sticks and stones, but they don't break my bones. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but then I decide like it. Come on,
It said chimps use sticks and stones as weapons.
I like it. Come on. Did you know that flamingos eat shrimp? They become pink. Yeah, Dad.
Dad, wait, there's flamingos.
Dad, did you know that when that flamingos eat shrimp, it turns them pink?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was just so like really smart.
There's one right here.
Which one's yelling? There's one that's yelling.
I hear it up there.
They're yelling up there. What the
I
heck?
picture of a black squirrel. I'm happy.
Liz, see? Liz, look.
Oh.
Well, that would have fell right off of that tightrope.
Screaming.
That's one of them was.
Screaming.
There's one, I think
They're
it's
yelling.
talking to one down there. Communicating.
Look at me, bro.
Shut. What's that?
A bird.
A bird.
Wow, look, a bird. Like
That
the
you can
birds we
see in
get at
our
home.
backyard.
Black with white stripes or white with black stripes? You decide. I think it is white with black stripes. It definitely is. This is the best part of the whole entire zoo.
What?
This elephant.
Oh. They don't have one.
This elephant is mine. His name is Billy. Oh my god, he doesn't even have an eye! Oh, poor Billy, man. How the heck does this guy lay? He's got two legs bent, this leg's out. Like, is that comfortable? Is that comfortable? Wow, he's very tall.
This guy's moving.
He's very tall.
Well, dirt.
There's some kangaroos, mate.
Well, not like we can see squirrels at home. There's another one.
Bro, we out in the outback and we can
Girls,
see.
there's a robin.
Oh my god.
Get a picture
I
of the
just
robin. I've never
dropped
seen
one.
one before.
I
Baby.
feel bad. The ducks are getting more attention than this kangaroo.
Well, they're doing something. Well, there's 6 babies. I see 5 babies.
We're on a hunt for some kangaroos, mate. All I can say in an Australian accent is mate, so that's all I'm saying.
Hello, Mike. This is a great job.
Did you say this is Nick Jonas? Oh, mate, this is Nick Jonas.
Here's one. What's it look like? Does it look like a beaver?
Is it a platypus?
It is not a platypus.
Oh,
Look
what
at the
is
tail.
that?
Look at the beaver tail?
No, what
Maybe
the?
you should look it up. Is it a woodchuck?
How
Maybe
many
he's trying
wood
to
could a
chuck-
woodchuck chuck
maybe
if a
he's
wood
chucking
could
wood.
chuck? Ow! How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck what? Oh, it's a darn groundhog. Not even a woodchuck. Look, how do you pronounce these? Waziada Kazakapata. Wait. Kazakapatu. Waziada Kazakapatu. They told me to open this door, but I don't want to get in trouble. Should I?
It doesn't say staff only. There might just be an exhibit. There is. Go look and tell us.
I hope. Oh, you scared me.
I can be as loud as I want.
It's okay, I didn't die. This one's eating. Oh, they're fighting.
Right there. Look how cute it is. There's one just running. Oh, there's another. Ah! That's so cute. The camera's looking at you.
America. Oh, dang, they're all.
Chasing away.
Oh my Jesus. They're all.
Yeah, they're from different exhibits.
Oh my, so it's just the bald
They're
eagles.
from the swamp next door.
Ah! Oh my God! Did you see that?
Neither of them can fly.
Oh my God, I thought they were about to fly and attack me. Oh
Hold on.
my God.
Fight.
Michigan Wolverines.
Oh, mascot, that's what I meant.
They are. He was.
Oh, look at our mascot.
I think they have 2.
He's digging for
I
bugs.
saw one.
Oh, there he is.
Woo! I've never seen one. He's making a cave.
Something with den.
Stop, they almost all attacked me. I don't like birds. I don't like birds, and they all just come at me. It's not a cat. It won't come to your signals.
Because it's wet. No, it's got a pond right there, not down
It's
there.
in the water.
No, it does have a little water down here.
Well, if it's a giant anteater, doesn't it need giant ants to eat?
Maybe. And duck.
Swimming.
What?
It's swimming
Where's it?
in the pond.
Is that a polar bear? Is that the polar bear?
Yes.
Daddy's bad luck.
Look at his little face. Oh my God, I love him. He's got a ball.
There's not going back today.
My day has been made. Imagine throwing a ball at a polar bear. Imagine throwing it and playing catch with polar bear. Oh my God, I would love that. There is no one here. They all left. I am the only one here. They're gonna leave me. Goodbye.
So we are at the Sea Life Center again. I was here in a vlog before. We're here again. So fun.
I just went in here and I went to go I touched this and then I looked to my side and I see this fish and I screamed.
Wait, what fish?
This one. And I screamed. I was like, oh shoot. And some lady was like, oh. I was like, oh jeez. It's a pufferfish.
I just took a picture.
It's kind of big and chubby. Fingers between here.
Hermit crab. Alyssa's got it.
You can only touch the top of it like this.
Is it walking?
It's so squishy. It's squishy.
What's yours name? Bob? Oh, where's another? Where's mine? I gotta find mine. Where'd Kiki go? I named it Kiki.
But Michigan's still in there. All right, where's Bob?
Kiki didn't love me.
Oh, there's mine.
That's yours?
The blue one and green, like yellow.
My fish is the best.
Where's yours, Dad?
It's coming up.
My Kiki left me.
Oh, there's mine.
Where?
Here comes Bob.
Where?
Oh, the purple,
Oh, right there. There's Bob.
Oh, there's a Spartan one.
Ugh.
Oh, ooh, mine's fast too. Look at it. Oh, it left.
That's what mine did.
Here comes Lys's. There's in the corner.
Why is it so small?
Oh,
Because
that
it's a
one?
cardinal
The
fish.
black and purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the only one that matters is Kiki, and she's gone. They're racing their fish.
I'm winning. Go.
No, you're not, Mom.
I'm right there.
How are your day stinks?
Why are you standing still?
Day.
I know, and that's me.
The dirt. The curve.
I found mine.
First place.
Mine ain't
He's probably
shrimp.
too full.
He ate.
He ate too much, Five Guys. You guys gotta finish the
Oh,
race.
look. You just hit it and he goes.
That's what I was doing.
I was doing the turbo zone.
Five Guys is delicious.
Bob
Their
was
burgers and
stellar.
fries are amazing. Last time there was an eagle here.
Oh, he's there.
Look at him. Can y'all see him? There he is, good. Oh, is he gonna come out? The music. Oh my god, there's an eye. That was my video last time. Oh, there she is. Also, if you haven't watched our vlog from last time we were here, I will link it below. The creepy avatar lady, and they were, oh my god, they covered up my face thing. So now I can't do that weird face thing. Wait, I can go down here. Oh wait, it's not there anymore, y'all. I can't do my face. Dang nabbit. I like turtles.